This is the moment. This is the day when I send all us and demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming to play. It's here now today. This is the moment. This is the time. The moment. And the moment are right. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become wrong. This is the day. See its bright and shine. When all I've lived for becomes mine. For all these years I faced the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I can make it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckons, I never reckoned second best. I won't look down, I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all. This is the moment that all the earth, this day of never, I set forever in our hearts. When I look back, I will always recall moment for moment. This was the moment, the greatest moment.
To greet you on your 18th anniversary, which is really weird because you look 18. So it's a little bit of a, it's doing something to my brain. But I just wanted to congratulate you and congratulate you on a career that has been colorful and wonderful. And I am so happy that I've gotten to be a part of it, that I've gotten to work with you on Sweeney Todd and to get to know you as a human being. And I'm hoping that tonight goes well and that everyone has a good time, especially you. Have a wonderful anniversary and a wonderful show. Bye!
Thank you! Ayan, si Miss Lea Salonga. Ayan, tulad nga naman bakit ko kanina nakatrabaho siya sa Sweeney Todd with Ate Ima. Ayan, di ba? And maraming salamat at this point. Ay gusto rin namin magpasalamat sa mga sponsors natin who made this concert possible. Of course, ang Echo Jam Production for putting up this concert. Kay Kuya Kokoy, of course, ating director. And sa Wish FM, para po sa kaalaman niyo po, ako po ang boses sa likod po ng jingle ng Wish FM. Ayan, narinig